Hello guys, welcome to PK Gaming Galaxy. Welcome to this new course. We are going to learn about Unity basics and how to become a pro in game development. Let's start by getting the Unity. So first you have to install Unity Hub. Go to the browser, type Unity Hub, click on the first link, click download for Windows, wait till it downloads. After setting up, this window will pop up. Here, if you are new to this Unity Hub, you will directly shown to download Unity Editor, but I already downloaded. So go to installs. Here click install editor. Here you can install Unity official releases, LTS versions, other versions, pre-release and archives. So here we install Unity 6, 61F1 LTS version, install. Here if you want, you can use Microsoft Visual Studio Editor, or you can use Visual Studio Code, which is a little bit size lesser, lightweight and more compact. So I have Visual Studio Code, so I don't need Visual Studio. Where if you are going to make games and apps for Android also, so you have to install Android SDK, NDK, JDK supports. If you want iOS also you can take, and for all supporting software here you have everything. So I don't know any of this. Let's after selecting it, you can continue on download. I already downloaded, so I am not downloading again. Okay guys, I hope you find it useful. So you may ask why Unity Hub is needed. Unity Hub is a place where you can manage all your projects and all your Unity versions. So I recommend to download Unity Hub, and please download the latest version like Unity 6. Okay, thanks for watching. In the next part, we will see how to create a project in Unity Hub. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe and share. Let's see you in next video.